When we talk about programming languages, we can categorize them into two broad types: high-level language, low-level language. The basic difference between these two languages is that a high-level language is programmer-friendly as it is closer to natural language, but it cannot be directly interpreted by machines, whereas a low-level language can easily be understood by a computer system. A low-level language can easily be understood by a computer system, but at the same time, the language is difficult to write and understand by a programmer. Low-level language. A low-level language can be described as the language that can easily be understood by a computer or a machine. A low-level language is difficult to write, understand and debug. This is the reason people start moving towards high-level languages. When it comes to modern languages, such as Java and Python, a developer uses IDEs, integrated development environment, to write a source code which can't be directly understood by the CPU. Rather, the code must be compiled into low-level language. It entails low-level languages are faster than the high-level languages. An assembly language can be viewed as a bridge between high-level language and machine language, as it provides commands such as add, addition, mul, multiply, and subtraction that perform certain operations. However, it uses an assembler in order to get converted into machine language. A machine language is language that consists binary code and the actual code that understand by CPU. It doesn't need any translator in order to convert a low-level code to native instruction. High-level language. In a nutshell, it can be defined as the language that can easily be understood by a programmer or user. C++, Java and Python are some examples. These languages are closer to natural language that a human can understand and easy to debug. But it requires a translator to convert the source code to native code that a computer can interpret. As already discussed, a program written in high-level language is not capable or executing directly. In order to achieve that, a translator is used which translates the code to machine language, such as interpreter and compiler.